Me and my sister, we're gonna
The baddest.
we're gonna review the kanbizkizine food. It's a Haitian food, so we buy it. So let's see how it is.
Menu.
Guys, look at this. Look,
That looks good.
it is.
We got some of that macaroni.
Pickles, nagi pickles la. That's the rice. That's the diria. Nagi sauce la. This.
Which one you want to go first?
The marinade. I'm gonna tell you guys.
Yeah.
Well, for the marinade, I'm gonna give it a 7.
It's good. It's good. Honestly, I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
Okay, now we're gonna try the akra. We get bon piment, so I'll give it a 10. Plantain, guys.
Yeah.
Banana bien fruit. Il a dit tellement. Regardez.
Let's taste this.
I'm gonna give the pickles a 10.
How's it?
Oh my goodness. Go ahead.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
I'm in my balance 7.
I can give this probably a 7.
Look at that.
You can see that?
C'est pour $30. Ouais? TikTok liya, pour nous ka check page liya, et puis pour nous ka check liya. Ni si tu yo pas payé pour review, yo pas même connaît même si t'as fait review pour vidéo. They didn't pay me for the reviews, and then they didn't know that I was gonna do this, so they didn't know none of those. I buy the food with my own money, so
This is not no promo.
no, it's not.
This is real, our real, authentic, honest review. Overall, I give this 8 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, because it's good. It's good.
9 out of 10 for everything. Let me know in the comments what place you guys want us to try. Bye.